So we see the problem of for finding dimensions and subspaces. So this is a given problem. Find the dimension and 4 fundamental subspace for the matrix A is equals to 101, 212, 010, 101. So solution. So order of the matrix is 3 rows into and 4 columns. So it is 3 cross 4. So m is equals to 3 and n is equals to 4. Next, so we reduce this matrix to row echelon form. So what I will do, R3 is equals to R1 minus R3. I will do R1 minus row 1 minus row 3 and put the result in R3. So this is the matrix now. So here first we'll find out the pivots. What are the pivots? Non-zero entry in each of the row. First non-zero entry in each row. So in the first row 1 is the non-zero entry. In the second row this one is a pivot, that is first non-zero entry. So number of pivots here is equals to 2 and we know that number of pivots is equals to rank of a matrix. So rank of a matrix is equals to 2. Since number of pivots is equals to 2, rank of a matrix is also equals to 2. Now we'll find dimensions of row space first. Dimensions of row space is equals to nothing but a rank of a matrix, that is nothing but a number of pivots, that is equals to 2. Dimension of null space is n minus r. N is here 4, that is from the given matrix, it is 3 cross 4 matrix. So n is 4, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Number of column space is also equals to 2, that is number of column space is also equals to r and that is equals to 2. That is dimension of column space is 2. Dimension of left null space is m minus r, that is 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. These are the dimensions of the subspaces. What are subspaces? Row space, null space, column space and left null spaces are the subspaces. Now we will find the basis for each. Basis for row space. So row space, so while taking basis you should not take the reduced form of a matrix, you consider the original form of the matrix, the given matrix you have to consider. So basis for row space is consider the pivot rows, that is 1 2 0 1 0 1 1 2 0 1 and second pivot. So this, you should not consider this one, should consider this given matrix 1 2 0 1 0 1 1 0. This is the row space, basis of row space. Basis of column space, you consider these two columns. Here you consider 1 0 1 2 1 2, 1 0 1 2 1 2. Basis of null space, left out rows. So if you have considered these two rows, so left is this one 1 2 0 1. Basis of left null space, left out columns, you have considered already for column space these two. So remaining are 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. These are the bases for the matrix.